Hello everyone, welcome to Crochet World. Today in this video, I am going to share you some crochet table cover design ideas. So let's get started the video. Number 1. Classic granny square tablecloth. This timeless design features interconnected granny square in various colors, creating an vibrant and cozy cover for your table. Number 2. Pineapple lace tablecloth. Incorporate intricate pineapple lace motifs to create an elegant and dedicated table cover perfect for special occasion or formal dining. Number 3. Fillet crochet table runner. Fillet crochet allows you to create beautiful designs such as florals, geometric patterns, or even personalized monograms in a grid-like structure. Make a long table runner to adorn the create of your table. Number 4. Mandala table topper. Crochet a large mandala toppy in the round using colorful yarn to make a stunning centerpieces of your table. Number 5. Hexagon honeycomb table cover. Crochet hexagons in a honeycomb pattern and join them together to form a unique and visually appealing table cover. Number 6. Shell stitch tablecloth. The shell stitch creates a lovely sculpted edge that adds a touch of elegance to your table. Work rows to shell stitch in a rectangular space for a simply yet table cover. Number 7. Irish crochet tablecloth. Channel vintage charm by incorporating Irish crochet techniques such as intricate motifs, lacework, and 3D elements like flowers and leaves to create a timeless heirloom piece. Number 8. Ombre Reaper table runner. Crochet a reaper patterns in shades of the same color of your suitable ombre effect. This modern design adds a contemporary touch to your table cover. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. Thank you.